Get you. 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 What is that? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey, what are you doing? Get you. Get you. Get you. Hi everyone. Today is October 4th, and this is our 4-week-old puppy video. That's right. Monster and Tater's babies are 4 weeks old. Yes, they are. As you can see, we had some big milestones last week, aside from their toenail trim, of course. We're in a slightly bigger area. We are working on litter training. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. And Mom is slowly starting to wean. Yes. Hi. Yes, and we found our voice. Lots of big events. Huh? Lots of big events. Get you, get you, get you. Get you, get you. Get you. Come here. Come here. And this is our first set of toys. Huh? Yes. Yes. Every week it'll be something new. Yes, it will. Whoa, whoa. Yes. So everybody is doing great. You can see we've got some playful puppies now, and we have some nap time puppies. Yes, we do, huh? Yes, we do. Collars will go on next week. Yes. Because Mom's still weaning, and she's just not a fan. She just doesn't like anything on her babies. Huh? Yeah. I know, you agree, right? We tried, and they was like, no, that's not good enough. That's not good, get you. Get you, get you. Okay. Oh my. So much personality. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. What? What? You? Really? You come here. You come here. Oh my gosh, you're such a stinky. Yes, you are. You're such a stinky. Yes, you are. You're such a stinky little girl. What'd you get you? Yes. Yes. Yeah, huh? Oh, look at your brother here just taking a nap. Oh my. You coming back for more playtime, huh? Stinky little girl. Where's my stinky little girl? Yes. What? What? Get you. Get you. Good. Get you. Oh boy, she's gonna get the bunny, huh? She's gonna get the bunny. Yes, your sister is all wild today. Yes, she is. Hey, you. Hey, handsome boy. What happened? Is there something on my hand that smelled nice? Oh, yes. Yes, it does, huh? Oh, who's so handsome? Who's so handsome? Who's so handsome, boy? Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. That's the first time we've heard it. What is that? That's the sound of play. It's the sound of playtime. Yes, it is. Hey, poopy, 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 poopy. Hi. Good job. Good boy. It's the sound of playtime. Yes. Yeah, way to go. Way to go. I see you. I see that little face. I see your little face and your little face. That's a serious face. That's a serious face. Come here, bud. Hi. Each and every one of you want to come here? Oh, except for Sleepy Face over there. Sleepy Head, huh? And Sleepy Head not going to come here. No, she's not. No, she's not. No, hi. Oh my goodness. Are you guys ready to take a nap now? That was a lot, huh? That was a lot of playtime. Woof! 5 minutes was too much. Yes, it is. Yes, it was. Oh, look at all those yawns. Look at all those little baby yawns. Hi. Hello, handsome. No, you're a girl. Oh, no. No. Hi, princess. Oh, boy. Yeah. So that's it for our milestones. You're sitting on your brother this week. What is that? Is that mash? Get that off you. Get that off you, silly. We will see you guys next week. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email. All right. Yeah, we will see you soon. Take care. Yes. Yeah. Okie dokie. She got off her brother finally. Yes. Yes. Go get the camera.